Hey guys, welcome to the Hack Dev channel. So I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to do the static analysis of the .NET Trojan. Okay, so let's begin. We are going to use DNSPY tool to do the static analysis of the .NET Trojan. Now, so if you will see .NET malware.bin file here, and let me fire it up DNSPY tool. So as I have already opened, so it's there. Okay, so if you can see, the internal name is like it's something like Sirat Limpy. So now to go to the entry point or the main function, you can just simply click on gonicam.main function here. See, you're seeing here entry point gonicam.main. So and there are some assembly description, assembly title, assembly company is there, like mini tool powered data recovery. As we got the hint, okay, what's the functionality of this .NET Trojan is, like it is powered data recovery. We are going to dig deep into it and let's see what data it is going to recover. So as means, is it actually data recovery or it is actually data stealing? So this is the assembly description we can see here. Now go to the main function. So in the main function you can see there are so many functionalities added into this .NET Trojan. As it seems like to me it's RAT, remote extraction, where we have some basic functionalities. So if you will see, some of the functions just added it, but there are no functionalities in this functions. So like in this show message box, this is not enabled, so there are no functionalities in this function. So if you go back, so these are the functions which we can use, and you can also add the functionality in these not enabled functions, and you can also compile it, and you can also basically use this RAT. So that's why these are the functions added. If somebody wants to add these functionalities into these functions, then they can do it. Now if you see here, like you can see recover browsers, recover mail, keyhook, internet download manager, gonicam, which we are already inside the gonicam, and in send. So from this, if you see send, it seems like okay, it is sending data to the command and control server. And the last one, if you see, it is, I think so, it is pretty much, if you can see any file, so it is seems to be like a obfuscated one, which we are going to deobfuscate in the later videos, not in this video. In this video I am going to just show you the functionalities of this like already in a plain text manner functions, or in a plain text manner classes, not the encrypted or obfuscated ones. Okay, so if you go to show message box, this is also not enabled. Add to startup, this is also not enabled. Website blocker, this is also not enabled. Website visit, this is also not enabled. Self destruct, this is also not enabled. So now we got functionality in the get current window. So what it is doing in the get current window, as you can see, gonicam.get window.get caption. So it is you going to just get the caption, so like Windows title, machine time, keystrokes typed. So these are the things it is capturing. So now if you will just search this keystroke log, let's right click on this and find it and click on enter. So now you will get the keystroke log. So it is in the function you can record keys. You can see it is its name is record keys. So in the record keys function, what you can see, so keystroke log, and it is sending logs to gonicam.plink. Now that means it is sending log to somewhere. So let's find out what is this plink. So plink is okay, this is the, I think so, their command and control server where they are sending the data. Okay, so in this case we in the future videos we are also going to see dynamically whether in the memory strings we are able to see this link or not. So for now we clipboard.getText and sending again to that same link which we have already found it. And screen logging, it is not enabled. If you see download and execute, this is also not enabled. Execute binded files, this is also not enabled. Now last part is password recovery. In this password recovery you can see recover mail function, Outlook, Netscope, Thunderbird. These are the some famous mail clients and some web browsers also. So in recover browsers, Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, Safari. So in this case, if I'll just go to first one, Outlook, and then there is one function, this sort fans, and let's click on this. And after clicking on this, I got this. Okay, this sort R list, escape application, and then it seems like there something doing with this R list. So let's find out what is this R list. Should go to R list, right click, find, enter. So this .R list is following the this .read mail function. Now if you go to read mail, now in read mail, if you will see get folder path environment special folder common application data. So mails.txt. In the later videos when we're going to do dynamic analysis, I'll show you okay whatever data basically it is copying, it is storing in the mails.txt. So I'll show you in the later videos. So for now, if you can see, okay, resource manager .get object, recover mail, and encryption.rsm decrypt. So first it is picking something from the resource manager. If you will open the resources, you will find something like recover mail here also. So and this is the obfuscated one. So we are going to obfuscate it later, deobfuscate, sorry, later on. And so they are using the RSM decrypt. If you will open the RSM decrypt, so in this RSM decrypt, they are decrypting the recover mail, which can be possibility which can be the embedded PE also. So if you open the recover mail and right click, show in hex editor, so see it seems like obfuscated one. So to decrypt this, we need to decrypt it in memory, and I'll show you later on whether it is actually a PE file or not. So wait for my next video. I'm going to decrypt this recover mail and going to see whether it is a PE file or not. Okay, so this is how you can also analyze .NET malwares, .NET Trojans with the DNSPY tool. You can just actually see the code and what it's saying, what are the functionalities of the .NET Trojan. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please click on like and comment it, and if any doubts, please drop your doubts in the comment section. I'll try to answer all the doubts. Okay, again thanks for watching this video guys. I hope we will meet again.